Why daily focus planning matters.
Daily focus planning is a proven way to boost productivity and reduce stress. By mapping out your top priorities and tasks each day, you create a clear path to greater concentration and less wasted time. Structured planning helps you work smarter, not harder, making space for both work achievements and relaxation. Let's explore the tools and templates that make it effortless.
Popular templates for focus planning.
Many people start with simple editable templates like daily to-do lists, priority matrices, and time-blocking schedules. These templates often include spaces to list urgent tasks, track goals, and schedule breaks. Printable planners and customizable spreadsheets make planning more personal and flexible, allowing you to adjust your structure as your needs and workload change.
Top apps to organize your day.
Digital apps like Todoist, Trello, Notion, and Google Calendar are favorites for daily focus planning. They let you set reminders, sort tasks by priority, and integrate with other digital tools. Many also offer templates to help you get started quickly. Notifications and tracking features make it easy to stay on task and adapt to any changes in your day.
Setting up your perfect system.
Start by choosing a template or app that feels intuitive. Fill in your tasks for the day, highlighting your top 3 priorities. Schedule focused work blocks with short breaks in between. Review and adjust your plan as needed. Consistency is key. Using your chosen system every morning helps build stronger focus and better habits over time.
Tips for lasting success.
Make your planning time a daily ritual, either in the morning or the night before. Keep your system simple and flexible to avoid overwhelm. Celebrate completed tasks and don't be hard on yourself if plans change. Over time, you'll find that structured daily planning with the right templates or apps leads to improved concentration, more free time, and greater peace of mind.